Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare to lag. If you want to fix this issue, all you have to do first click here and then go to game mode settings, make sure game mode is on, and then go to captures, turn off those two options, go to Xbox screen bar, make sure it's off, and after that go to GeForce Experience, go to settings, click settings and then general, and scroll down until you find image scaling. Turn on this option and then right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, wait a few seconds and then use my preference, move it to performance, click apply, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, close all the applications that you don't need from your background, and that's it. See you in the next video.